Hey everyone, welcome back to Wars of CAD, the battleground where we put the best CAD software head to head. Today's showdown features three major players: AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and Fusion 360, whether you're an engineer, designer, student, or hobbyist. This video will help you pick the right weapon for your workflow. It's been a long-standing veteran in the CAD space. Let's start with a quick overview. It's designed for product designers, engineers, and makers who want an all-in-one solution. AutoCAD, developed by Autodesk, is a 2D and 3D drafting tool used widely in architecture, civil engineering, and construction. SolidWorks feels structured and mechanical, with featured trees and parametric history that's perfect for complex assemblies. Fusion 360 has a smooth, beginner-friendly interface with drag-and-drop workflows, timeline-based modeling, and seamless cloud syncing. SolidWorks, by Dassault, is a powerful 3D parametric modeler geared toward mechanical engineering and industrial design. Fusion 360, also from Autodesk, is the modern hybrid combining CAD, CAM, and C in one cloud-based platform. Now, let's talk about the user experience. Fusion 360 sits in the middle. It can model, simulate, render, and even machine, all in one platform. SolidWorks is your best bet if you're a mechanical engineer, industrial designer, or anyone working on complex machines. Fusion 360 is made for agile creators, startups, makers, and teams that need design, simulation, and manufacturing tools in one affordable platform. For manufacturing, AutoCAD doesn't offer CAM. SolidWorks supports it with add-ons. Fusion 360. It has CAM tools built right in. When it comes to collaboration, Fusion 360 leads the way with live cloud sharing. While the others rely more on manual methods or external PDM systems, AutoCAD is command line and keyboard heavy, great for 2D veterans, but not so intuitive for beginners. Let's compare some core features. Fusion 360 is the most accessible, free for students, hobbyists, and startups, and around $545 a year for commercial users. AutoCAD excels in 2D drafting. SolidWorks dominates in detailed parametric modeling and simulation. Now let's talk money. AutoCAD is about $1,865 a year. SolidWorks comes with a hefty one-time fee plus annual maintenance. Think $4,000 to $8,000 depending on your package. So who are these tools for? AutoCAD is for architects, civil engineers, and those who live and breathe 2D. So which side are you on? Team AutoCAD for precision drafting? Team SolidWorks for mechanical mastery? Or Team Fusion 360 for flexibility and future readiness? Let us know in the comments which CAD tool wins your war. Smash that like button, subscribe to Wars of CAD, and hit the bell so you never miss a battle. Thanks for watching, and may your models always render flawlessly.